reading practice, 50% Quranic words. So remember, the 222 words in this series of lessons, 24a to 24g, occur in the Quran 40,000 times, which is 50% of the Quran. Wow! Let's take a few of them in this lesson and read them as good as possible and as fluently as possible. So the first one is Ibrahim. Repeat after me twice. Ibrahim, Ibrahim, Ibrahim. Ittaqu, ittaqu, ittaqu. Akhirati, akhirati, akhirati. إذ أرسلنا أرض إسرائيل الذي أعلم ألا التي أصحابي إليك إليه أما.
Not too long, no. It's just mud letters, okay? Okay, not too long, okay? Just 2 counts. Make sure 2 counts.
أما.
Proper होना भी नहीं है आपका ना. Proper 2 counts होना है.
أما آمنوا إنا أنتم أنزل وانزل أنزلنا أنفسهم إنكم إنما إنه أنهار أنهم MashaAllah, we have finished 2 parts. Next part, I'm gonna bring you more words. You guys must be tired. So, see you soon in the next lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.